This powerful trenching machine cuts a precise ditch through soil within seconds, providing both efficiency and a visually satisfying result. A mechanized ditch closer seals crop planting trenches automatically, eliminating the need for manual labor. A burst water pipe is instantly sealed when clay is packed over the leak, stopping the flow immediately. A stump removal machine grips and pulls an entire tree stump with roots intact, removing it without the need for cutting. Now that's worth a like for the skill and efficiency. Logs are quickly unloaded from a truck using a tilting platform that lets them roll off effortlessly. Street stripe lines are painted with precision by an automated line marking machine. A specialized bending tool easily shapes thick rebar, bending it smoothly without structural damage. A robotic concrete finisher automatically smooths wet concrete within minutes without human operation, and if you enjoy watching these clever machines at work, hit subscribe for more. Workers create a brick transport system using 2 bamboo rails and a tire redirector, bouncing bricks into a barrel for collection. A tire mold is used as a form for laying circular brick patterns, which remain in place after the tire is removed. A weighted oscillating demolition hammer knocks down walls in seconds with minimal effort. Tree climbing spikes provide grip and support, allowing workers to scale tall trees with ease. This level of skill definitely deserves a like. A flexible sealant is poured between bricks, allowing for joint movement without cracking. A simple wire management method untangles cables quickly and prevents future tangling. Cutting a paintbrush at an angle makes it easier to apply paint precisely in inside corners. A roller handle is modified with an umbrella to prevent paint from splashing onto the user's face. Subscribe if you want to see more hacks that save both time and mess. Stepping stones are created by pouring concrete into decorative molds for uniform, repeatable shape. A long-handled post-hole shovel digs deep with fewer scoops, increasing efficiency. A high-capacity pump removes 5 feet of standing water from a flooded area within minutes. A tractor-mounted rotary spreader distributes soil quickly for crop preparation, and this kind of clever farming deserves a like. custom stair climbing dolly fitted with studs helps carry heavy bags upstairs effortlessly. Heating the end of a plastic pipe allows a press tool to seal it shut smoothly and permanently. Expanding foam insulation is injected under flooring, filling gaps and improving thermal performance. Curved brick walls are built using a guide template to maintain precise upward curvature. If you love creative masonry tricks, make sure you're subscribed. Rust is removed from metal cylinders by passing them between two high-speed sanding rollers. Numbered metal stencils are laid on the ground and compacted with a bulldozer to imprint station markings. A modern insulation method in China combines soundproofing and thermal barriers for interior walls. Crosswalks are painted to municipal code specifications using a precision-guided striping machine. A level of precision like this definitely earns a like. When a tire cannot be removed by hand, a rope is attached and pulled with another vehicle for quick removal. Bundles of bamboo logs are unloaded from a truck using a controlled release system. Curved staircase railings are formed by heating the material and bending it into shape. A mechanical grabber lifts multiple cinder blocks at once for quick transport without manual handling. If you're into smart construction tools, hit subscribe. Drywall is precisely cut to meet posts with a curved joint, creating a seamless fit. A tree planting method ensures proper root positioning and soil compaction for better growth. Plaster is applied in large globs, then smoothed evenly across the wall for a uniform finish. A large excavator digs deep holes quickly and efficiently. Now that's a machine worth a like. A drilling attachment bores into heavy clay with minimal operator effort. A concrete sprayer mounted to a boom arm evenly coats brick walls without manual troweling. Metal wire is anchored to a surface using a nailing technique for secure fastening. An experienced painter skillfully creates decorative scale patterns on a wall. Subscribe for more satisfying craftsmanship. A makeshift belt is fashioned from a plastic bottle top and rope for quick fastening. A propane tank is flattened completely by a high-pressure crushing machine. A tire mounted to the back of an excavator bucket scrapes soil clean from a ditch. A bottle top and cap are repurposed into a locking mechanism for cabinets or doors. That clever reuse definitely deserves a like. An improvised conveyor lifts dirt to upper floors without the need for carrying barrels upstairs. Workers move bags using shoulder strength while keeping their hands free. A stonecutter shapes a river rock into a smooth vase without cracking the material. A textured roller drags across wet paint to create a realistic wood grain effect on metal. Subscribe if you enjoy watching tools transform materials like this. A stone saw cuts through massive boulders as easily as slicing vegetable. A large sponge cushion catches barrels dropped from trucks, preventing breakage. waterproofing compound seals windows and joints to prevent water infiltration. Track replacement machine lifts and swaps old railroad rails with new ones efficiently. Precision like this is worth a like. A raw ruby is cut and polished to create a bowling ball or ornamental display pieces.